make a smartphone strap. You need your favorite beads. Here I use a 12mm size of beads. There are flower, oval, round and love shapes of beads. You can use black jade polyester string, a scissors, and a gas lighter. Cut the jade string approximately 60 centimeters. It can be adjusted according to your needs. Okay. You need to burn the end of the string so that the string doesn't get messy and it's easier to insert the beads. Insert the beads according to your favorite arrangement. Please look at what I will do carefully. And finally, insert both strings into the last bead. And then tie the string, leaving a distance of about 4 fingers from the last bead. I will upload separately the detailed video for how to tie the string. Make sure the bond is strong. Cut off the remaining string and burn the ends to make them stick. Slide the tie towards the bead until it is not visible, so the results will look nice and lovely. And the final step, you have to tie a knot here tightly. And here is the results. Thank you for watching this video.